Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this look, and I am using this palette right here from Viseart. This is Bohemian Dream, and I really like the colors. I got this off of Sephora. I don't know if it's still there. If it is, it's half off. Totally check it out because I'm really kind of loving these colors. Anyways, if you would like to see how I created this look, oh yeah, not sponsored. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so today's look is going to be kind of light because I'm going to be spending most of the day outside. Well, the skin's going to be kind of light. I'm still going to do my thing with the eyes because I like color. I'm skipping the primer, but I am going to use concealer because you can see I got some under redness thing going around here. I'm going to try to cover that up, and I am going to use Insta Bake 3-in-1 concealer from Beauty Baker. That is this right here. Okay, so redness is gone. We are going to use a BB cream with SPF 30 because, again, like I said, I'm going to be spending part of my day outside today. And this is Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB cream. Okay, now my face is good and covered. I am going to use a primer on my eyes. That is this Potion primer from Urban Decay. And I really want this because I'm still going to use a powder on my eye, and I'm going to be, again, outside, and I don't want my eyeshadow to melt off. Okay, so now we are moving into eyebrows. I am going to use, what is this called? This is from McQueen, New York. This is a K-Beauty brand, even though it's New York. You know how I feel about that. That's weird to me. But anyways, that is what I'm using for my eyebrows, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now we are moving on. I am going to use this Viseart palette here, and I'm going to stick with these pinks and blues here to do the eye look because I want it to go with my nails, honestly, my nails and my jewelry. So that is what I'm drawing my inspiration from. And I think I'm going to start off with this color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this lighter pink color and kind of blend in the pink a little bit more. So what I think I'm going to do now is go over the whole lid right here with this blue color right here. want to darken this part just a little bit, so I'm going to go in with this blue just to very lightly to darken that part a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go under the eyes. I'm going to start off with this silver, and I'm going to do halfway to here, from here to here. And then I'm going to use this other blue color here and go from here to here. Okay, so now I'm going to brush over the top of it with this really fine glitter. It's going to make it look more wet than glittery. That is what I'm using. I don't have a name or brand. I think Ofra used to make this. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I kept it because I couldn't find a replacement, so I'm still using it. Okay, so now I'm going to do my bottom eyeliner. I don't want it super dark. I am using Marc Jacobs right here. Can you see it? There you go. This is in color Stiletto. Alright, for top liner we are using Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. I've used this a lot, really do like it, and I think it'll be perfect for this. Okay, so we are moving on to mascara. Bottom mascara, I am using Bad Gal Bang in the blue. And for top mascara, I am using Joa Lash Up Rising Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. This is a really good one and very affordable. Okay, so I am skipping contouring and bronzing because, again, I'm going to be outside and it looks a little off when I have that on my skin under the sunlight. So I'm going straight for highlighting with this right here. This is So Susan. This is in Ultraviolet. This is a cream. So what I do is I put it on the back of my hand and apply it with a brush so I can control it a little bit. Okay, so I am moving on to my blush. As you can see, I definitely overdone the highlight, but that is because I am going to use this blush right here. This is a cream blush from Hank & Henry in BB Rose. See it? It's very faint pink color. And I am going to blend it right in here and right in here. Alright, for a little bit more dimension, I'm going to take this other color from So Susan. This is Tranquil Day. This is a subtle rose color, and I'm just going to use it almost like a contour right in here on the cheeks. Just to give it a little something. Alright, the last and final step is we need a lip color, and we're going to go with Spoiled Lips in Mary. This is a liquid lipstick. It's just a very faint purple. And I'm going to use this gloss called Viseart Static. This is from Nature's Cartel. And I'm going to use that just a little bit in the center of my lips. Okay, so that purple turned out a little bit bolder than I was expecting, but I still like it, so I'm going to leave it. I think I like this look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Anyways, that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.